We want to find Lagrangian for pulley bucket system. In this figure, there is a bucket attached with rope, and there is a handle to move this pulley to bring water out of well. As pulley is rotating using handle, so its kinetic energy is rotational kinetic energy, which is half I theta dot square, where theta dot is omega angular frequency. Similarly, kinetic energy of bucket plus water mass is, let us call it T mass, half m x dot square, where x dot is length of rope, which is winded or unwinded. So it is equal to, as rope is moved in circles around pulley, so x is arc length equal to r theta dot, where r is radius of pulley and theta dot is omega. So total kinetic energy equals 1 over 2 I theta dot square plus 1 over 2 m r square theta dot square. Potential energy equal mgx, where x is length of rope, which is winded or unwinded. So again it is equal to r theta. Lagrangian is given as kinetic energy minus potential energy, which is 1 over 2 I theta dot square plus m r square theta dot square, and potential energy is mg r theta. For Lagrangian equation, we find partial L over partial theta dot and partial L over partial theta. Then this equation equals external force or external torque. For our case, this Lagrangian equation is equal to external torque applied to the handle of pulley. Inserting values of derivatives partial L over partial theta dot and partial L over partial theta in this equation, we are left with I theta double dot plus m r square theta double dot minus and or now taking time derivative, this can be rearranged as I plus m r square theta double dot as common from this equation equals tau external minus m g r. For case 1, we consider theta double dot equals 0, that is steady speed, or omega dot equals 0. The bucket is pulled out of well with constant angular velocity, then theta double dot equals 0. In this case, tau external equal mgr. So applied torque is equal to torque required to pull weight mg, where m is mass of bucket and water. For case 2, we consider external torque is greater than mg r. So in this case, bucket will move upward because applied torque is greater than torque applied by the weight. In case 3, we consider tau external 0. That is, we stop applying torque to the handle of the pulley. In this case, theta double dot equals minus m g r over I plus m r square. So minus sign shows that direction of motion of bucket and water is now in downward. So it means the bucket and water system undergoes free fall motion when we stop applying torque to the handle.